Arnie, you will explain. Iyo. Kuya is coming already. Kuya Henry. So Kuya Henry will explain because he will doing this for about 18 years already. Parang ka Jude.
Morning. Hello, morning.
Kamusta?
So he will explain the process.
First step is just to put the coconut husk inside this big panel.
That will collect
And then
the seed.
after 3 months or 4 months or 5 months, you just pull out this coconut husk and chop into a little pieces like this. Oh, the chopping is like this, smaller into. And after that, you just after chopping, just form a circle here. Oh, this is the pattern of the circle. Oh, you see, and this is the pattern. Oh, this is the pattern of the circle.
Oh, okay.
Round. Round here. And you mix it with the waste ashes. There is a waste ashes here. You just mix it and form a circle. After 3 days, you just gather some firewood. This is a firewood how to perform this circle. Oh, like this. Oh, this big. Oh, this one. Oh, this is bigger. Just form here.
Oh,
like
around.
that. Oh, around, huh?
Yeah.
Just form here. Around the file here. That, round. And the higher is about 4 feet higher. And then you covered with this sliced coconut husk. You covered. And then after that you burn. After burning for 3 days, it turns to ashes. And then when come ashes, you just put here this another form of what they call in Visayas, sagsag. This is the sagsag. My friend. This is the sagsag. This is big panel. You put here this ashes, and then you just pull the seawater here, and then the water came down, and you get transfer to this another panel, and then the water go down, you just transfer to this another panel, and then this is the real seawater. When you this 5 grams, when it comes full, you just full of the with
So the ashes filter the seawater?
Oh,
Yeah, filter, yeah.
and then you just perform like this. This pot. Oh, this little pot.
Yeah.
You just form his line.
Yeah.
Using this cable tire, and then you just burn. After burning for about 7 hours, 8 hours burning. And this is the final shape of the coconut ay yung clay pot. So very hard work. Oh, to perform this hard rock salt. So very. Oh, this is the final product. Oh, this is the final product of the hard rock salt. Oh, this is the finished product.
You want to try pouring the liquid through the pot? How about you, sir? You want to try?
Kaya may magkatoy mo mo.
Makita rin siya ka na mag-anak.
Hey, my friend, you should try.
Yeah.
Try.
Yeah.
Yeah.